Okay, I want to ask to who want to be a first speaker? Who want to be share your opinion regarding this one?
Question number 1, yeah.
Question number 1. I think Mr. John, you are the last one, yeah.
Oh, okay.
You must the last one to share your opinion. And Mr. Jamuri, Mr. Sulpatri, maybe you next, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Your opinion from.
Next question.
Yeah.
Just the first participant you want, Mr. Tom.
Okay, who wanna be first? Who have the what we call, yeah? Who have the opinion about this one? What the best idea? Why you need to get certification? Maybe Mr. John from Makassar, yeah. If you still in this room, Mr. John. Sorry. Wait.
Oh. He's already going to unmute his microphone. Hello, Mr. John.
Hello, Mr. John. Okay, no problem. Maybe Mr. John can share his opinion later. Yeah? Or Mr. Aris. Mr. Aris.
Yes, hello.
Yeah. What do you think about question number 1? What the best idea? Why you need to get certification? Based your perception, yeah. Maybe you are a professional, you are a maybe you are a teacher, or you are a lecturer, or maybe you are a karyawan swasta, yeah. Okay, share your opinion.
In my opinion, certificate is like a title, like a doctor, or this is for the people can hypnotherapy.
Okay, Mr. Aris.
Yes.
I ask some question, yeah. Where do you live?
I live in Surabaya.
Okay, you are living in Surabaya now. And
yes,
do you work?
Yes, I work.
Yeah, maybe you can share about what kind of work of you.
My work is freelance, and now I'm driver. Maybe in weekend I join in the sea for the catch the fish, like a fishing or with the sailorman.
Oh, that's your hobby or another?
My hobby on my work too. Because I get some money with my hobby.
Yeah, what is it?
Fishing.
Fishing.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay. I think I ever heard fishermen should have some skill, yeah. For example, if you are maybe after you fishing, maybe you must be dive. So you need to get the certification if you need to get the expert in diving. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Aris.
Yes. Thank you.
Okay, Miss Khairunisa.
Okay.
What do you think about number 1? What the best idea? Why you need to get certification?
Yes, of course we need some certification for like pengakuan tuh apa ya?
Legality. Ya,
Legality.
recognize legality.
legality of in our profession or our job, we need it. Like my profession is teacher.
What major are you?
Yes.
Math?
Yes.
What major?
Teacher of kindergarten.
Kindergarten. Okay.
Yes, kindergarten school. If I
Okay, no
diakui
problem.
apa sih? Diakui.
To be like to be legalized or to be recognized.
If I want to be legalized to be a teacher, I have to get a certification as teacher, like workshop, seminar, or ya diklat gitu. Diklat tuh apa? Diklat apa ya, Pak?
It seems such as training, right?
Yeah, diklat is like a workshop.
Workshop. Okay.
No. It's yes, it's different.
Maybe course. Kursus.
Short course,
some course.
training.
Yeah, it's like a training, but I think it's like a workshop because in Indonesia I have many call about that, but maybe not different, I think.
Because if workshop is just one day or
okay, I see.
Yes.
Diklat is about 1 week.
Yes.
Yeah, it's a little bit long time, yeah.
Yes, a long time.
Ya,
begitu Kak. Jadi
okay.
ya sangat dibutuhkan kalau menurut saya sertifikat itu untuk pengakuan.
Okay. So you agree with this statement, right?
Yes, I'm agree.
Okay. And what about Miss? Who else in here?
Miss Liana.
Miss Liana.
I think Miss Liana is not ready to speak.
Yeah, maybe other participant. No problem. Wanna share our opinion? Maybe Bang Sulpatri.
Okay, Bang Tommy. It's we are talking about certification. I think it depends on our profession. So, if for hard skill, I agree with Mr. siapa tadi?
Muhammad.
Bukan, no. Our speaker tonight.
The
Mr.
first
John.
speaker.
Mr. John. So, for hard skill, I agree with Mr. John. We need certification like diver certification, hypnotist certification. So like the other sport, hard skill. I mean hard skill. It depends on our profession. If we want to teach or want a speaker in some forum, like we setting some speaker, we need certification. Because I agree it will be so as have a legality, we have skill about the something. But for my profession, firstly, if we have experience about above 10 years experience as employer in specific bill, but I think it not need certification. Cause as in my profession not need hard skill, but is so needs soft skill.
Oh.
Yes, right. So soft skill, I think maybe Mr. John agree with me. It's not legality with certification, but how it's there are in ourselves, yeah, in ourselves, how our soft skill about our profession, it can show by ourselves, not by certification. But for hard skill, I'm agreeing need certification, and it's very useful when we reach another opportunity. I mean here for new job, for like be a speaker, like be a teacher. It's very important.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Supadri.
Welcome, Bang Tommy.
Who else? Miss Len or Miss or Mr. Room meeting. Okay.
Hello, everyone. Good evening.
Hello, hello.
Yeah, evening.
What's your name, Mr.?
Sorry, I'm not rename this name. My name is.
No problem. No problem. No problem. You can tell who you are.
You can call me Risno, R-E-S-N-O. I want to rename this name.
Okay. Welcome, Mr. Rizno.
Oh.
Where you come from?
I'm from in Bogor.
Oh.
Yes.
Hey.
Same with Bang Tommy.
Yeah. Actually, I living in Bogor right now. Same as you, Miss Rino, Mr. Rino. Okay. Okay, you can share your opinion about number one.
Okay, I want to try my opinion about the best idea, what you need get certification, yeah. Okay, in my opinion about get certification is a very need to step profession, because in profession information technology, if you have much certification, example you specialist in data center, if you specialist virtualization, is can be by company, and then this is actually about technical to improve to deployment something because you have a certification. I think it is very important to my job, because it's a benefit to salary nextnya.
Good.
But then if you have a hard skill, not have certification, you can not buy very high to company if you not have a certification. I think it's my opinion.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Rizno, ya, Mr. Rizno.
Yeah.
Okay. Who else? Anything else? Maybe Mr. Xiao or Mr. Sumbayak, ya? Or Miss Sumbayak.
Hello, good evening, everyone.
Hello.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Tonight I sedang mengerjakan tugas. PP materi for next week. I am a job teacher in high school.
Okay.
I am listen aja dulu ya.
Okay.
Listening, yeah. Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Welcome. Okay. Who else? Miss Liana, I think have the problem.
Yeah, anything else?
Yeah, Miss Liana, I think have the problem with the mic, yeah, microphone.
Okay, I try, Mr. Tommy.
Oh, of course. Mr. Jamuri, come on.
Okay, the certification I think is very important to us now. As an example, if we want to get a side job from overseas, like in freelancer or Upwork, then we need to have a certificate like Microsoft certification or AWS or Amazon cloud computing certification or the other or MATLAB certification like this, so that we can increase our score in there, and then so that the client can believe to us that we have any skill to help solve their problem. Yeah, that's all.
Mr. John, you want to summarize from the all speaker? Maybe you want to.
Yeah. Okay. I think the certification is not only about the hard skill, but in soft skill have certification too. Yeah. When you work in the hospitality, you need the soft skill, because the soft skill is about 40% propose you to the successful. Yeah, it's the last one I get the certification from the international quantum HRM. It's the certification about the hard skill and soft skill. It's like a combination. Yeah, so the certification is not about hard skill only, because the priority when you're going to work, the soft skill is about the priority, not the hard skill. And certification, I mean, it's not about you get the certification about your skill, but when you already get the certification about your skill, you must be going to the possession about the certification from the state. Yeah, when it's not clear, Mr. Tom, can you explain to everyone?
No.
Got it.
Oke, ya, mungkin Indonesia sedikit ya. Maksudnya gini, karena kadang
Okay. You must using English, Mr. John.
Okay. It's already clear?
Clear.
For yourself to speaking in English.
Okay. The certification, it's not about the skill only. When you already get the certificate about your skill, you must be possessed the certification from the state. And the one of possessed certification about the skill in Indonesia is a BNSB. Ya, Badan Sertifikasi Profesi Nasional. That's the last one certification, and you will be legality about your skill. Yeah, I think everyone is already get it. Yeah, it's already clear. When you get it or something wrong, yeah, you must to be speak up, and I have to explain like a little bit, and will be clearly.
I have question.
Okay, please.
Can you say that the certificate must be legalized by government or state? Yes, Mr.
Yes, it's about the state, yeah.
Okay, what about the certification from a big company like Microsoft or Apple, like this?
Oh,
is it still need recognized by government?
Yeah, it's just about the hard skill.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's about the hard skill and your skill. Yeah, but when you already have the certification specifically in the one of skill, you must to be possessed by country, by state about that skill. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
You get it?
Okay.
Okay,
Sorry,
maybe
sir.
yeah,
Mr.
come on,
John,
come on, Miss.
yeah, can I ask about the
Soft skill
explaining
and hard skill.
of soft skill and hard skill?
Mhm.
I don't understand.
Yeah, maybe Miss
Like
Oh,
explain
example.
about that one.
okay.
What the definition? And after Mr. John explain, I wanna ask Bang Sulpadri as well.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Come on, Mr. John.
I want to give two opinion about that. Yeah. The hard skill is about when you work and you can make something like make the what I think maksudnya when you can teach, it's about your hard skill. But the soft skill, it's about your affective, like body language and your speaking. It is about the soft skill, yeah, not about the hard skill. So when you have a better soft skill, I think many company around the world have to hire you to join with their company
English course,
like that. Yeah. Hello.
like soft skill, like follow the English course.
Oh no, when you follow the English course is about the hard skill, not about soft skill.
Hard skill.
Yes.
Siap, siap, Din.
I have an opinion.
Yeah, soft skill is about the hospitality. It's about the soft skill.
And how about licensing driver? If you have a driver car or driver
I get it.
motorcycle,
I get it. Yeah, it's about the hard skill, sir. Not
Then-
soft skill.
Yes.
Yeah, soft skill is about when you're driving and
Yes.
you like the traffic light and you like a discipline in traffic light. It's about the soft skill. You get it?
Hello, everybody. I want
Yes,
to
yes,
leave
I get it.
because I get a passenger. Okay.
Oh,
Thank
okay.
you for tonight.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
Mr. John.
Thank you.
You, Mr. Aris. Nice to meet you. Okay. Miss Nisa? Enough?
Yes, yes, okay.
Okay.
You get it, Miss Nisa?
Yes, I get it.
Yeah.
Thank you
Okay.
very much.
The
for
soft
this
the soft
discussion.
skill is a problem in around the world and specifically in Indonesian. When
Yes,
you like put off your mask already use it and you put in the not put in apa ya?
Like character.
Yes, character is
Yes,
about it.
Character
about
and
Do
attitude.
you want
skill.
Yes.
Yes.
your opinion?
The attitude is the special of word because attitude have 100% value.
Yes.
Value. You can counting like attitude A is 1 and T is in abjad. You can like count it in. You get the 100%.
Oh. Yeah, I know that one. If you if you refer A, it 10, and then T is maybe 20. If you sum the numbers from
all
A,
of
T,
word
T,
about
I,
the numbers,
you
and you
will
get the 100.
100.
Yeah, the
Yeah,
attitude
maybe-
is a special word.
Yeah. Bang Sulpadri, you want add your opinion?
I think it have clear explanation from Mr. John, I think. So maybe
Yeah,
just just add an example. So soft skill, maybe hard skill, everyone have known about hard skill.
Yeah.
But soft skill, For example, like communication, our communication, how to communicate with someone, how to communicate with other. It means we can use our soft skill. Yeah. So maybe, so if we have a problem when we have a job, when we are as employer in our office have a problem about our work, about our job, how to solve our problem, it will be use our soft skill, our soft skill. And then maybe you often heard about leadership. Yeah, leadership. So leadership is in ourself leadership. Leadership mean we will use our soft skill, not
Yeah,
hard skill.
that's
Yeah,
true.
maybe just some of example from soft skill when I know. Just additional from Mr. Jal. Thank you.
Okay,
Thank
thank
you,
you.
Bang Sur
Thank
Padri.
you. Thank you all. Okay. I wanna ask you to share your opinion about this statement. Which one more important? In your opinion, have a good hard skill or having an excellent soft skill? Okay. Want to be the first?
Yeah, I think when you have excellent soft skill, that's the good one, because when you going to hire some work in government or some like company, you must to be I think in this moment all of company is going to hire someone, they are looking for the soft skill, not about the hard skill. Because when you have a good soft skill, it's good for the company or the government. It's my opinion.
Okay, so
And must be
okay.
you can have more relationship with around people in the world or in Indonesia when you have excellent soft skill.
So Mr. John emphasized the most important is you have the excellent soft skill, right? Okay. How about others?
Agree with Mr. John. Yeah, agree.
Oh.
Yeah. Why you agree?
Why in my experience, recruit some new employer, when we have interview with them, we just look about soft skill, not about hard skill. Because the soft skill, we can know the capability from someone, from someone from their skill, soft skill. I mean soft skill, not about hard skill. So hard skill, we can use that after the employer has joined with us. We can see about soft skill and hard skill. But for the first job seeker, our interview new employer, we can see from interview only about soft skill. So it means the soft skill is the first, for
the hard skill in the second.
Yes, right. But exactly, it's both important. But it the first is soft skill. Soft skill it means something capability we have. We can show to others by speaking, by interview, by communication. But hard skill we can just not so, we can't show about just speaking or communication. But we must show what will we do when we have do something.
Some work.
Some work. Yes, right.
Okay. Who else? Mr.
Yeah.
Samuri?
Anything else?
Okay, I will try. Okay, I just read an example what is hard skill and soft skill. Example for hard skill that I get from the Google is like computer skill, Microsoft Office skill, analytical skill, marketing, presentation, management, selling, and the other. And for soft skill, the Google give an example like communication, teamwork, networking, public speaking, time management. So if we have to choose one of them, big one is more important, then maybe I choose hard skill first, because hard skill is difficult to learn in the short time, but soft skill maybe we can learn it in maybe short time. Okay.
So, sorry, Mr. Jamhuri. So you, which one the more important?
Yeah, for me it's hard skill. Hard skill, because if we want to find an employee and we have to choose one of the skill, hard or soft, then maybe I will choose hard, because if an employee have a hard skill, then we can teach him to learn soft skill in the short time, I think.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Jamhuri ya. Oh, where is Miss Marlina ya?
Yeah,
Maybe
Miss Marlina.
Mr. Risno,
Yes.
you have different opinion about
I
this
want
question?
to try about. Okay.
Yes, come on.
I want to try about my opinion about important if you have a good hard skill and have excellent soft skill, it's same important, because if you ask good selling, okay, you have a hard skill. I think is good. I think hard skill and soft skill is very important. 50%.
Okay.
No. Choose hard skill or soft skill, because
50-50.
Yes, 50-50. Because it's very important to, if you have a good selling, no have a hard skill, it's not not good lah ya. Itu saling inilah ya, saling it is saling
completely.
Yes.
Okay. So this is the good question to be. Maybe you have a different vision about that one. In my opinion,
Wow.
hard skill, it's I think before you answer this question, which one the most important, which one the most important from you, I think I have one approachment about this question. Depend what skill or what area, what kind of work do you want to approach? If you need, for example, programmer, and then you wanna have the more expert a programmer. At the moment, sometimes you want to choose the more good hard skill programmer than the good manager. Because sometimes manager is they have a good excellent soft skill than hard skill. If you need the programmer, I think in my opinion you should choose the programmer with the good hard skill in the specific program, specific program language, for example. Yeah, maybe Mr. Chamburi can explain about the program language. Yeah, Mr. Chamburi. I know you are you know much more about that one. And then if you need to, after you get the good one, the good person which have a good hard skill, after that you can equip them, you can enhance their skill with the soft skill to be a communicated person, to be a polite, maybe to be a good time management, for example, yeah. So I think hard skill and soft skill, it must be, as Mr. Risno emphasized, it must be working together in yourself. You need to, first time, maybe for the first time, you need to equip yourself, you need to enhance yourself with the good hard skill. Then in the same time, I not say the different time, yeah. In the same time, you must equip, you must enhance your soft skill as well. Okay. Okay, how about the number 2? What your opinion about idea for women? It should they will a career woman or a housewife? Yeah. Come on, Mr. or Miss Khairunisa. You wanna share your opinion first about this question?
Okay, I want to answer for question the first about hard skill and
No.
soft skill.
Sorry, Miss.
The second question.
What your opinion about idea for women?
Oh, the second.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, come on.
Yeah. My opinion is for women, they are can choose have a career, but it don't let her kewajiban tuh apa ya?
Responsibility, or you can say obligation.
Yes, responsibility as a housewife, like take care their children or their husband, and do they homework like cooking. Yes, jadi jangan sampai terbengkalai gitu. Jadi terbengkalai itu apa sih? Jangan sampai terbengkalai pekerjaan rumahnya dan kewajiban menjaga anak-anaknya gitu aja. Jadi mereka boleh memilih berkarir. Halo?
Yeah, come on.
You can hear me?
Yeah.
Yes.
You.
Clear.
Like me,
English.
I as a teacher, but I don't let my children and my husband.
Don't be neglected.
Yes, I need membagi itu apa ya? Membagi waktu.
Divide.
Membagi apa, Pak?
Divide.
Oh ya, divide my time for my family.
Divide the time for family, for my family.
Yes.
Ya, neglected, memberantak, terbengkalai itu neglect.
Neglect. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay.
Sorry.
Yeah, it's okay. We learn together.
Okay. Who else? Mr. John, maybe?
Yep. Yeah, about my opinion, it's about the idea of a woman. It should be like maybe 50-50, yeah. The 50% career and 50% housewife. But because when you can, asu bilang apa ya, asu anak itu? Like
Take care.
Take care.
if you can take your children by yourself, it's better than the babysitter. Yeah, because the babysitter take your children, it's your children will be like his soft skill is about the same like the babysitter, not like you. So you must be take care your children by yourself, not by the babysitter. So I think like it's in this moment, maybe when you are the housewife, you can maybe little bit business about the online shopping. It's a good for woman. It's a wife. It's a good for wife. I think that's it.
Okay, who else? Come on, who wanna share?
Anything else?
Okay, let's try.
Come on,
Okay.
Jamuri.
Yes.
Mr. Jamuri. The stage
If we
is yours.
Okay. Okay. If we have enough money, I think best choice for women is as a housewife. But if we don't have enough money, then maybe women can help their husband or their family by work at home. If he can make a small business or like other. But if she has no choice to work out, then yeah, maybe she have to be a career woman is no problem. But if she has a choice, then become a housewife is the best choice, I think. Okay.
Yeah, it's wise opinion from Mr. Jamuri. Okay, who else wanna be the next to share your opinion? Okay,
Hello,
I think.
Tommy.
Hello. Okay, come on.
I wanna give a little opinion.
Yeah, yeah.
So if we are talking about ideal, yeah, ideally maybe the woman it will be a housewife.
Wow.
Yeah, it's ideal. But maybe like they mentioned before, some a woman will be a career woman, not only about money. Yeah, not only about money. I think it how much we have money, how much it will be never enough for us, right? So it's not about money, but about maybe it's have like our talking before about soft skill and hard skill. So some the women have a good have soft skill or hard skill when he have certification or graduated from some university. So it means she has a soft skill and hard skill. So when she has a hard skill and soft skill, she will be practice her soft skill or hard skill in real work. It means he will be practiced in as a career woman, not as a housewife, I think. So because of that, maybe we can say emancipation, right? So the woman not only a housewife, but so can career like the man. I think like that. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Who else? Mr. or Miss Ulfa, ya. Yeah.
Newcomer.
Welcome Miss Ulfa Nazifa. Halo Miss Ulfa. Tuh, mana dia? Oh, Siska. Or Mr. Risno. Mr. Risno.
Yes, Mr. Tommy.
Come on, share your opinion.
Okay, I want to share opinion about ideal woman. Yeah, I'm get married with my wife. She is a career woman, but after get married, she is a promise after career woman. Choose a career woman. We have she have a good housewife. I think it's okay, no problem, because it must be imbang, ya. It must be
balance.
Yeah, balance. A balance about a career woman and housewife. Yes, it is my opinion. I think if wife wife is have a career woman, you must be balanced about a housewife.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Risno. Okay, I think, in my opinion, this is not what we call it. It's not opposite. Yeah, I think if you realize about the woman's duty, woman's duty or woman's obligation, yeah, responsibility from the woman, career and housewife is the same state, yeah, because if you are a good career person, I think if you assume as a housewife is your obligation for a woman, actually, of course, you wanna be a good career woman in your house. Then if you go to your office, you will be hard to deliver a good result for your company as well. And when you are in home, you will deliver the good serve for your family. Yeah, so in my opinion, this is similar, yeah, because I believe career in home or in office, it's same, yeah. The both is obligation from woman, and I believe that obligation for men too, yeah. Okay, this is the last one question for tonight. Okay. What the factor of success in your career and business? Share 2 points from your experience. Maybe we start from, hello, Mr. Yeah, I will just Bang Zamhuri deh.
Okay. The first factor that can make me success in my opinion is hard skill, I think, because I like to make a computer program, and then when I propose a job in the first time, then I show my hard skill, and then they accept me. And for business, yes, I have a small business that run by my wife in my house. We have an online shop that sell in our website, and I think it's a little success for home business because pendapatan. What is mean pendapatan in English, Putra Tom?
Salary?
Income.
Income. Okay, income. Okay, my wife income from our small online shop is higher than my income in our job. So that to become a success in this business, so we have to create a good website, and it's need skill in computer programming. So that in my career and my business, hard skill is the main factor that can help me.
Okay. Anything else, Mr. Samuri?
That's all, Mr. Bam.
Okay, we move to Mr. John Seran. Yeah. Mr. John Seran or Mr. John? Mr. John from Makassar, I think, yeah. So grateful his signal is good tonight. Sorry, Mr. John, I cannot hear your voice. No, Mr.
Yes,
John
Mr.
from
John.
Makassar. Hello, Mr. John. Mr. John from Makassar. I'm sorry, we cannot hear your voice. Maybe. Please unmute, Mr. John. Yeah, I think you have the unstable connection, yeah. Okay, apologize. Maybe you can share your opinion later, yeah. Okay, how about you, Mr. John Seran?
The question number 3.
Yeah, the last one. Share 2.
Okay, the last one. What the factor of success in your career or business? Wow. I think the factor is in career or business is about your action. Yeah, the action is number 1. Action, and you must have more skill, and the excellent one is you must have a soft skill. And when you have a good soft skill, it's about my opinion is in number 1. You have more relationship. When you have a more relationship, you can improve your career or your business so fast. But I think in career, in business, rintangan itu apa lagi lupanya? I think
obstacle.
Yeah, many obstacle in career or business, but it's not about you just apa lagi nih? Just going up, not busy, do not stop to take action about your career or your business. I think that's it.
Okay. Anything else? Bang Zul or Mr. Rizno, or maybe the new one, Nis or Mr. Abigail?
Mr. Tommy, I want to try about opinion about a success factor about your career. Okay, I think the first must be work hard. This is the first factor. And then if you after work hard, you must be lucky, beruntung ya. You know, be lucky after you have to work hard, and then no positioning in office have a big boss director. You not be choose the next step career. I think it's lucky is number one. Okay, after work hard.
Okay.
Just a little opinion, Bang Tommy.
Come on, Bang Zul.
Yeah, so maybe a special for the employer. Maybe we can practice in as a businessman and others. So my principle first, if you want a success in the long term, I mean, there are my principle. First, love what you do and do what you love. It's mean. So if you as a employer or you are a businessman, when you love what have you do and what will you do, you will enjoy it. You will find clearly objective. You will find clearly problem solving, because you will be enjoy to do it and you will be open-minded. So if you love, and then if you do something now, you have to love what you do, because it will be make you more successful. So and second, I talk about long-term successful. Don't take easy way. Yeah, don't take easy way, but take the best way. Cause there are someone if have a job like as employee or as businessman, they have a dream, tomorrow and next week I will be successful. So it means will be not success. It means you will be take easy way to success tomorrow, but it will be not long time, but maybe a short time. But if you want a successful in long time, by period, time by time, just do. You always find what the best way to get you more successful, to solve your problem, to find your objective, and you will do hard work to find it. If you want to find the best way, not the easy way. It's I think it's my experience. If you want success in the long time, that's all, Bang Tommy.
Okay, maybe Mr. or Miss Abigail. Hello. Where is Mr. Abigail? Yeah. Okay, thank you everyone. Okay, I think this is good for tonight. Yeah, thank you, Mr. John Serrat, to chairing us and open the session with story from your certification card. Yeah. Okay, thank you guys. Mungkin setelah ini saya share sedikit catatannya ya, bukan buat bukan buat salah-salahan, tapi mungkin kita buat belajar bersama, gitu ya.
Ya, mungkin mau di-clearin dikit juga boleh tadi bahasa Indonesia. Kalau bahasa Inggris tadi masih ada yang kurang paham, boleh lah.
Nggak apa-apa, ini kita kan belajar bareng ya. Jadi saya tadi catat beberapa keyword yang mungkin kita bingung gitu ya. Ini nanti dari saya. Nanti harapannya nanti teman-teman bisa berikutnya bisa jadi kayak Mr. John Serrat ya. Jadi for the next session I will ask Bang Zulpadri to as a first speaker and prepare your topic to discuss tonight ya. Oke.
Sebelumnya sorry ya Bang Tommy, maksudnya kan ya terlalu banyak yang saya kerjakan jadi pusing sampai nggak
Nggak
ada
apa-apa,
waktu.
nggak apa-apa, nggak apa-apa. Ini sebenarnya kan casual speaking itu let it flow aja, mengalir aja. Cuman seringkali kalau kita nggak kasih ide dulu, kita bingung nih mau ngomong apa ya kan? Gitu. Kalau yang sudah kenal,
I think you are the good
topiknya lah
leader,
gitu ya.
Mr. Tom. I think
Yes.
you are a good leader.
no, you are the
Ya, tapi
incredible person.
mungkin tadi si
Tonight.
Miss siapa itu? Karuni apa itu?
Khairul Nisa.
Perlu dikelirin teman-teman semua juga ya. Antara sertifikat dan sertifikasi itu beda ya. Kalau sertifikat kita ikut pelatihan, ikut diklat kita dapat. Tapi kalau sertifikasi itu pengakuan bahwa kamu kompeten di bidang itu, seperti itu. Nah, dan itu adanya di BNSP, Kemenaker yang punya ya.
Oke. Jadi tadi ada catatan gini. Ini sebenarnya bukan berarti saya expert ya. Saya cuma share aja sedikit. Pengakuan itu bisa kita legality or recognize ya. Recognize. I need recognize from my boss ya. Gitu misalnya saya perlu pengakuan dari bos saya bahwa saya sudah kerja dengan baik gitu. Diklat itu kalau kita cari di Google bisa special training, bisa juga short course atau workshop. Karena ini sebenarnya spesifik ya, kalau diklat spesifik, diklat tentang apa biasanya gitu. Lalu materi, tadi Miss Khairunisa bilang, sorry saya lagi nyiapin materi buat besok. Materi itu kalau misalnya kita mau jelasin itu kita mau bikin sesuatu, kita bisa material. I'm still working to prepare my material to present, misalnya gini. Material untuk present, atau kita mau bilang I still prepare my content to as a part of presentation misalnya. Atau kita langsung bilang aja saya lagi siapin presentasi.
Ya, presentation. Udah
ya. Seperti itu. Lalu BNSP itu kalau diterjemahkan ke dalam bahasa Inggris Authorized Government Organization gitu ya. Jadi
it's right.
Ya. Authorized Government Organization. Ini
betul. Mantap.
Lalu in this moment gitu ya, tadi lupa saya siapa tadi ya. Kita mau bilang bahwa kondisi saat ini itu in this moment kita bisa ganti recently, akhir-akhir ini, atau days gitu ya. Bisa silakan.
Oh, bisa. Yearly, maybe we can add yearly. Ya.
Yearly,
recently, yearly, ya, maybe.
Atau kalau teman-teman mau spesifik nyampaikan tahun ini ya langsung aja in this years atau in 2022 gitu, nggak apa-apa, tergantung konteks kalimatnya yang mau didiskusi, mau disampaikan. Lalu yang berikutnya kewajiban itu responsibility bisa, obligation bisa. Ini maknanya sama, memang ada yang spesifik. Kalau misalnya kita satu kantor, this is your responsibility, you must doing this one. Itu kita mau bikin agak umum, bisa kita bilang obligation. Gitu. Lalu dia bilang berjalan bersamaan ya. Kita waktu diskusi hard skill sama soft skill tadi, misalnya kita bisa run synchronously gitu ya. Misalnya kita akan ngomong bahwa hard skill sama soft skill itu nggak bisa dipisahin, dia harus barengan gitu. Kita bisa bilang run synchronously. Membagi tadi divide itu. Kalau orang keuangan ya, orang keuangan itu bilang dividen gitu ya, pembagian hasil saham itu dividen. Kalau membagi dalam arti kita harus bisa membagi waktu, divide my time misalnya bisa juga, atau I need to make my life is balance gitu ya, atau itu kita bisa bilang itu maksudnya membagi waktu. I need to balancing my time bla 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 misalnya gitu ya. Saya perlu membagi waktu, menyeimbangkan waktu saya, bisa juga maksudnya hampir mirip tergantung konteksnya. Tapi secara kata sendiri membagi itu divide, balance, seimbang itu balance. Pendapatan itu bisa saya lihat income.
Some people like sharing, share or sharing. Someone often said membagi, share or sharing, divide ya.
Bisa.
We can use share. Like I share my money, I share my my time sometime. Divide.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you Bang Sul. Ya, correct. I think depend on your sentence ya. Misalnya kita mau bilang saya mau membagi uang saya ke kamu gitu. I wanna share my money to you as well. Gitu ya,
Ya.
bisa, boleh. Oke, lalu pendapatan itu salary, income atau wage. Salary mungkin spesifik ke gaji, income pendapatan secara umum. Wage ini nanti kalau teman-teman di googling wage ini kayak gaji yang jam-jaman itu loh. Kalau teman-teman dapetin gaji pakai jam-jaman atau ya hourly base misalnya. Bukan part-time juga ya. Bukan part-time juga, kadang part-time bisa jadi salary gitu ya. Tapi sebenarnya teman-teman dibayar jam-jaman, spesifik jam-jaman. Mungkin di Indonesia nggak terlalu.
Mungkin ini kayak freelance gitu ya, cocoknya.
Bisa juga gitu ya, freelance yang atau modeling misalnya, bayarannya jam-jaman misalnya kan gitu. Lalu rintangan itu bisa obstacle atau impediment. Some people say obstacle it mean boundaries misalnya, boundaries apa namanya batasan misalnya. Tapi yang umum obstacle gitu ya. Long term sama tadi Bang Sul tadi ada yang long term sama long time gitu kan ya. For a long time misalnya untuk waktu yang panjang gitu ya. For a long term, nah, maksudnya untuk periode yang panjang, ini yang bermurid. Tergantung konteksnya, mau bilang periode bisa pakai long term untuk jangka waktu yang lama, untuk waktu yang lama bisa pakai long term, tergantung konteksnya. Nah ini tadi saya coba copy paste aja hard skill sama soft skill, nanti bisa dibaca sendiri. Oke.
Batas may be limit or limited.
Ya, batas.
Limit.
Ya, bisa limit, boundaries juga bisa, batasan, I have, atau bisa restricted, Anda area terbatas, restricted
limited
area.
juga bisa limited.
Bisa, tergantung waktunya, misalnya batas, ya. Batas atau batasan. Ini bisa limit, boundaries, atau bisa juga apa namanya restricted, tergantung katanya. Misalnya ini area terbatas gitu kan ya, restricted area gitu kan. Nah, gitu. Oke, ini nanti saya share di WhatsApp group. Untuk teman-teman yang belum join di WhatsApp group bisa klik linknya, kita bisa lanjutkan diskusinya di situ. Informasi-informasi untuk next session juga kita akan share di situ. Monggo bisa join di situ ya. Terima kasih. Untuk next week, I wanna ask Bang Sulfadri to be next speaker ya.
Wow, no, not yet, maybe next.
Oke, sebelum kita
thank you,
tutup,
Bang Tommy.
kita ambil foto dulu yuk. Mungkin bisa nyalain kameranya.
Thank you ya,
Foto
brother.
dulu.
Foto dulu dong, foto dulu
Nah,
dong.
boleh
Kita foto
nyalain
dulu.
kamera, kita foto.
Nyalain kameranya dulu.
Iya.
Kita take picture dulu.
Oke.
Nah,
Oke, siap-siap. 1, 2, 3. Kayak lagi,
Drive.
kaya. 1, 2, 3. Oke, thank you ya semuanya.
Oke,
Terima
thank you.
Thank you, Mr.
Thank you,
Tom.
Bang Tommy. Thank you,
Ya.
Mr.